Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Legian Beach and Padma area on 23 of November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Padma area and Legian Beach, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we will explore Legian Beach and Padma area. And now we start from Legian Beach. And now we are in Legian Beach. You see the weather today? It's so beautiful, isn't it? So clear. And the water are so blue. White sand. It's very nice. But today it looks very quiet on Legian Beach. There is some people doing fishing on Legian Beach. Yeah, there is a fisherman, and you see a lot of stick just beside the beach. Yeah, there is a fisher just catch the fish. That's really awesome. That's really good. And also there are some people doing surfing on this beach today. Quiet, but there are some people. You see the cafe at the front? It's very beautiful with the bamboo decoration. That's cafe we call Azul. Okay guys, now we will continue driving because we will explore Padma area. Look in this area right side. Yeah, there is a lot the coconut tree. Just the garden from the hotels. And left side there is Legian Beach. Okay, now we will explore Padma area. But today we will start our tour. Start from Garlic Line. You see the right side? There is like a food counter. So we will also explore about Garlic Line today. We will see together how the situation in this area since 2 weeks ago. I already explored this area 2 weeks ago. So you can find the situation in this area 2 weeks ago in this channel. Okay, right side there is art market from the Garlic Line. All the shop, all the market is closed in this area. Since the pandemic corona, it's very bad, isn't it? Garlic Line is very famous for shopping area because along the street in this area there is a shop and art market. So that's why usually lots of people around here. But today is really sad because no one around here, and there is all the shop closed, just very shut down. That's very sad, isn't it? Oh my god. Okay, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar or Kuta. But now we turn left to explore Padma area. And now we are in Padma Street. If I straight down, there is the way to go to Legian Beach. And I turn right again to explore Padma Utara Street. And now we are in Padma Utara Street. And actually, I also already explored this area around more than 1 week ago. So you can compare how the different around 1.5 weeks ago and today. Yeah, today there is still a lot of shop closed in this area. But there is some people walk around on the sidewalk. Oh my god, left side, right side, there is I gonna say like all the shop is closed. It's very sad. And on the right side there is Three Brothers hotels, but still look quiet. How quiet it is. There is no one car and motorbike drive around in this area. Just very quiet. And at the front right side there is Ibis Hotel. Oh, sorry. Actually, there is some car that are parking in the front of the hotels. Oh my God, it's empty. It's very sad. In this area, there is a lot of shop and some hotels. So that's why in this area also very famous because just nearby Legian beach. You see the hotels? Look empty. That's very bad. Actually, I'm driving very slow, but there is no one car and motorbike passing me. You see left side? There is Malasti hotels. You see in the right side? Yeah, that is some shop is not recontinue to rental. That's very sad. And the shop are closed. That's very bad. Puri Raja Hotel left side. In parking area also I don't see any car parking up there. It's so quiet. Swiss Bell, Legian, right side. Yeah, there's one car parking there. But still look quiet in this area. Also in Amar's Hotel, there is no one car parking up there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Yeah, I'm gonna say Padma back to sleep. Now back like to be a ghost town. It's very sad. Look very quiet in this area. At the front left side there's the hotel. In this hotel always busy. Yeah, this hotel full with the car parking. That's the best one. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma area and Legian beach. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.